Hello guys, you have to clean your washing machine every 6 months to 1 year. The filter here in the washing machine gets all the dirt from your clothes or any metal or any other objects. They'll get stuck here. So this is the filter. You just need to go here, drain pump filter. It will be different in different brands. This is Electrolux, which I am using currently. Open this and you can see a outlet of water. There will be a lot of water in that, so be careful to put some cloth or a mug when you open this. So just open this, it will get all the water out. Then you need to rotate this in the direction specified there so that it comes out. And once it comes out, all the dust and all the pins or anything in your clothes will be stuck in this. So if your washing machine is leaking or if your washing machine water is not draining, possibly the issue is that a lot of dust is stuck in this. You have to go and clean this, give a nice rub with an old brush or something, and then get it back. Keep it here, place it again. Good to go. This will help your washing machine drain the water faster, and all the dust will be clean in this drain pump. Thank you.